Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upscale images with AI without adding watermarks in 2026. So whether you're improving old photos, enhancing AI-generated artworks, restoring low-res images, or preparing graphics for printing, AI upscaling tools can increase image quality while preserving important details. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to upscale images for free with AI. All right, so the first step we're going to be taking is choosing an AI upscaling tool. There are several AI platforms that offer free image enhancements without adding watermarks to the final image, although some may have limits on the image size or number of free upscales. So the thing we're going to be doing here is just logging into Upscaly and then just click on login at the top right corner, click on sign up and just go ahead and sign up with Google and I'll show you what comes up next. All right, and you'll be dropped at the dashboard of Upscaly. Once you're here, you can now select the image you actually want to improve. For the best results, use the highest quality version you have available. AI can enhance blurry or low-res images, but it can't perfectly recover details that were never captured in the original. All right, and then just go ahead and choose your upscaling settings. So let's say we want to upscale to 4K. Output should be PNG or JPEG. Face refinements, these are pro models. So just go ahead and click on add image and simply add an image you'd like to upscale. All right, and once you have selected an image, you might be prompted that you have no credits available. Do not panic. All you need to do is just simply start your free trial by clicking on Start Free Trial, entering your card where necessary, and you'd get some credits to simply, make use of the AI Upscaler. Now, you may be able to choose between 2K, 4K, and 8K for your resolutions, and then just include face enhancements with your paid plans and detail recovery if it is available. And then just click on Upscaly. That should give you the option you're looking for to get your images out in the best quality. And then just simply review the results after. So once the AI finishes processing, compare the original image with the enhanced version. Pay attention to details like sharpness, texture, colors, and overall clarity. If needed, adjust the settings and generate another version. And now you can also choose to download the image. Once you're done, just right click and simply save your image, and that is it. All right, now that is how you can do it using upscaling. This can also be done using Canva. But how is that possible? How can you upscale an image with Canva? Basically, all you need to do is once you've logged into Canva, make sure you have an account. You can also use Claude to do this. I'll be showing you that in a moment. But with Canva, head straight and click on a new project. So click on Create and then go ahead and just select either a picture, an image, a document, any format you actually want. So we could go with something like image. So let's go with photo editing and just simply upload a photo we'd like to work on, which in this case is this image here. And just click on the edit option. So once you've clicked on the image, go ahead and click on upscale, click on open as a design, and it's going to load in here. All right, so once the design opens, you're going to be taken to the edit image section of Canva. Once you're here, you can click on Upscale. And in order to see the differences, just click on the undo option and you can see how bad this looks. But when you redo the design, when you redo the upscale, you can clearly see the difference. Now, there is an option to click on the settings to work on it, but that is not available as this is still in beta. But yes, you can upscale your images using either Canva or Upscaly. Now, in order to do this with Claude, you could just basically connect your Claude account with Canva. To do this, click on Customize, head into Connectors. Once you're here, go ahead and click on Add, click on Browse Connectors, and use the search at the top of your screen to simply search for Canva and connect your Canva account by signing in on Claude. And then once you've signed in, you could just simply ask Claude to upscale an image for you. So upscale this image using Canva to 4K. And then just go ahead and click on the plus, click on add files or photo, select the photo, click on open, and then click on send. So we've asked it to upscale this image using Canva to 4K. And it's going to begin working on it. using your Canva connection. It might not work, as if you remember earlier, this is still new technology. So most things aren't, usable. But yeah, that's how easy it is to work. If you do not want to use Upscaly, there are some other platforms you could try, such as upscaly.app, GitHub, and some other smart PNGs with their image upscaler. The main point was avoiding the watermark that comes with the designs. When you share and click on download, it doesn't come with any watermarks. You get your image in the good quality. All right, so yeah, that is how it works. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.